In 2019, Workiva entered a new frontier of connected reporting and compliance with the next generation of our platform and powerful new data integration capabilities. We hosted our largest Amplify user conferences in Dallas and London. We earned FedRAMP Moderate authorization, and we added more partners so that our customers can do even more than ever before. We expanded across Europe and Asia and helped customers in over 180 countries connect their global reporting teams. We hosted over 1,000 customers at 20 Amplify local events and enriched our customers' online Workiva community. Our new mission statement gives us purpose. Our company values inspire us. Our leadership principles guide us. And our culture connects us in a workplace where we all belong. Our culture and our platform won 21 awards in 2019, like Fortune Magazine's 100 Best Places to Work For and Fast Company's 50 Best Workplaces for Innovators. Our customers, our employees, our communities, you made it all possible. Thank you.